In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. There are certain things which are apparently very simple, not complicated, and we desperately need that, but it is not getting done. We are unable to achieve, we are unable to accomplish. Why? Because there are people who are creating hurdles, because there are people who have stopped our way forward, who are not allowing us to develop, to get whatever is the right, and whatever is the basic right of ours, whatever must be done, and whatever is something which is quite legitimate. But there are people who have created hurdles, but there are people who have created complications, there are people who are not, there are people who are creating so much and so much of the trouble. Why? Because maybe because they don't want you to develop, to be happy and comfortable, or because they want something to get out of that, because they want to achieve whatever, because they want to achieve, because they want to do a kind of arm twisting, because they want to blackmail, and because they want to get certain amount of money or other benefits, only because they have the ability, only because they are in a position to stop you, to resist you, to create the hurdles, to create the complications on your way forward. That is their nuisance value, and they want something against their nuisance value. I think so. A kind of situation like this one does occur in the life of each and everyone else, not only one person, not only another person, rather with quite a good number of people. The case, the issue, the problem will be different, but it does happen not only with me, not only with you, rather with many and many of the people. The nature of the issue, the nature of the problem will be different, but a situation like this one does happen with each and every one of us, with each and every one of us. What to do now? First of all, I think so, we should accept the responsibility that in the past we were in a position to do it, but why we failed to do that. That is why we are suffering, that is why we are being punished. We need now to get out of it, we need now to do it, we need now to accomplish it. But there are complications, the complications has been created, the complications have been created by the irresponsible people, by the selfish people, by the people who want to manipulate us, by the people who want to exploit the situation, by the people who want to blackmail us, by the people who want a kind of arm twisting of us, so that they could get something, they could churn out certain benefits out of it. This is the situation now. We are desperate to get it done, but I think so, getting desperate is not a solution, it is not a solution at all. Rather it creates even more complications, rather it intensifies the complication which has already been created. Now if at all I or you are in a situation like this one, we need to exercise lot of patience, we need to have plenty of it, and plenty of the patience. The patience is the first thing and the foremost thing, I think so. In the absence of a patience, we will never be able to get the things done, we will never be able to to get the situation in our favor, or we will not be able to get a reasonable deal. And to be able to get a reasonable deal, we must be very patient. We must be very patient indeed. And then too, we don't need to put it on the back burner. We need to keep an eye. We need to keep watching it. We need to keep working it. We need to keep preparing for it. We cannot afford to ignore it, because it is something which is important, and which is very important indeed. But the trouble is that somebody who is in a position to create the hurdles, because somebody who is in a position to stop our march toward the achievement of the very basic of our right, something which is very legitimate, something which is very much ethical, but we are not being allowed, because somebody want to get some money out of it, because somebody wants certain other benefit out of it, because somebody is in a position to blackmail us, to exploit us, to manipulate us, to do the arm twisting of ours. I think so. I think so. A situation like this one does occur to many, or maybe to most of the people at different stages in their life. But as far the issues are concerned, the issue would be different. In my case, in your case, or in the case of certain other people, I think so. What matters most here, is that we need to become patient, and patience is the first and the last thing. And then in between there are certain other things, like we don't need to put it on the back burner. We might be getting slow due to certain reason, but we need to keep an eye. We need to keep in touch. We need to keep preparing. We need to keep preparing for it. We should do whatever we can. It is the preparation. At the same time, it is the actually a kind of trial, the trial of our patience on the one hand, the trial of our wisdom on the other hand. We need to exercise the maximum level of patience on the one hand. We need to act in a sagacious manner on the other hand. Not only this thing, I think so, we need to keep praying to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala after each of the compulsory, after each of the mandatory prayer. We should be saying certain 2 rakat nafal. We need to keep praying. And this keep praying will inshallah get the things done. We shall be able to get something which was the very basic right of ours. But there were some people who tried to create hurdles. They did made it complicated. But after all that, with the consistent amount of effort, with a lot of patience, with a lot of sagacity and wisdom, and then last but not the least, by keep praying from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we shall be able to succeed and shall be able to get whatever is the basic right of ours. Thank you.